Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to Tools for Kids, the go-to place for young adventurers like you. I'm Mr. Elliott, your guide through the world of tools. Today, we're diving into another exciting journey of learning and discovery. So buckle up and get ready for a world of knowledge, where every tool, project, and idea is a stepping stone to unleashing your creativity. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community of explorers. Now, let the fun begin as we embark on another fantastic episode right here on Tools for Kids. Oh, hey, it's a rainy day outside today, so I'm in the workshop. I got this cool tool here. Hey there, little builders. Today, we're diving into the useful world of the adjustable wrench. This unassuming tool has a special trick up its sleeve, a versatile jaw that adapts to different size nuts and bolts. No need for an entire set. This tool can handle them all. Check out this incredible tool. The adjustable wrench has a cool feature, an adjustable jaw that can change its size to fit different nuts and bolts. Whether tightening or loosening, the adjustable wrench offers a reliable grip with a simple twist of its adjustable jaw. Think of it as a tool that brings flexibility to your toolkit, ensuring that you're always prepared for diverse challenges. Imagine you're working on your tractor and each nut and bolt is a different size. The adjustable wrench steps in, effortlessly adjusting to each unique nut and bolt. It's not about one size fitting all, it's about the one tool adapting to everything. Now here's the cool part. Watch as the adjustable wrench transforms to fit nuts and bolts that are different sizes. You can see we've got a really small nut and bolt here. You can see it in my hand. It's pretty small. Then we got a really big one. Look at how big that thing is. So the adjustable wrench can fit this really small one, or you can adjust the head and make it fit this really big one. Just like that. The adjustable wrench transforms to fit different sizes effortlessly, like a chameleon changing colors. The adjustable wrench can modify its size to match the needs of the task at hand. It's a reliable companion, ready to transform for any mission. So the next time you're faced with nuts and bolts that are different sizes, reach for the adjustable wrench. Give it a twist, see how it adjusts, and experience firsthand the convenience it brings to your projects. Thanks for joining me today on Tools for Kids. If you enjoyed learning about the adjustable wrench, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep the tool adventures rolling. Until next time, happy building with your trusty adjustable sidekick. I'm Mr. Elliott, and you're watching Tools for Kids. See you in the next tool-powered adventure.